What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of the channel. Today I'm going to take you in the kitchen with me and make a very simple southern peach cobbler. It's so easy, anybody can do it. Hey, if I can do it, anybody can do it.
On the sexy flow, I'm trying not to think about you when I'm away. Anxiety is killing my emotions day to day. Ring the phone, that's all I have. I cannot wait.
A few moments later.
Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I hope that you like that recipe. I hope you use it. I'm gonna drop the actual recipe into the description so you can copy and paste it out of there. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my fresh hot peach cobbler with some ice cream, and I'll see you in the next video.